Alright, checking Backlash on the 08 TL-3B. With the indicator on the chuck. Face of the tool post, looking for 0.
We're going to go 0.01 in the positive, then 0.01 in the negative to return it back, and it should say 0. Here we go.
Alright.
Now going
one
back.
out. Coming back.
That's it.
Alright, we're going to check the backlash on the z-axis one more time. Have it at the 0 position. We're going to back it out 0.02 this time. Go a little bit further. Alright, 0.02. I'm going to bring it back. Falls back, dead on 0. Okay, checking the x-axis backlash and the 08 TL-3B. The indicator zeroed out. I'm going to back it up 0.01. It's okay. 0.101. Go back to 0. Alright, back to 0. Alright, second test on X. Going to come out 0.02 this time. Back to 0. Alright, we got the indicator on the spindle of the TL-3B. Doing our best to check the run out here. I'm going to skip my phone. Riding on the inner surface of the spindle bore.